Hi guys! Hello, hello, hello! Welcome to my vlog. Today is Friday, March 29. Pagkatapos ng ulan kanina, ito kakain tayo. Lunch. Diba? Friday, Munggo Day. Yan. Actually, matagal ko na tong request. Munggo. May malunggay, may talong, ang sahog ay galunggong, diba? At with matching bahaw. Kain. Sabayan natin ang panonood ng INCTV. Good day guys. Bye. Salamat. Shout out sa aking nanay na nagluto ng munggo today. Sarap. Sabay higop ng mainit na kape. So, kumusta holiday ninyo? Sarap. Guys, munggo. Sarap. Smile. Good day. Bye. Don't forget to smile. Kung bago ka pala sa channel ko, paki-like, paki-share, paki-subscribe, paki-hit na rin ang notification bell para ma-update ka sa mga bagong vlog videos na i-upload. Salamat sa support!
Enjoyed this video? Hit the like button and share with your friends. Also, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.